What you gonna do with the video?
So you can't laugh at it.
It's too darn bad. Are you okay? Did I do that? Oh, I'm sorry.
I hate you.
I'm gonna choke.
And I'm gonna laugh.
Ow, my foot.
Use this controller.
So we can touch it again?
Nah. I'll do it.
Just put your controller in her bra. I'm not sure she's running it.
Rockstar. Don't put.
Come on, don't go.
Look, see, look. What does it say?
It says,
Dumb butt.
ready, start, to
This is
walk.
dumb butt, stupid.
What are you gonna do with that video?
Put it on YouTube.
Seriously?
Say bye.
What are you gonna name it so I can look at it?
I don't know, just go to my account thing.
I don't know the account number.
I'll give it to you.
Alicia,
You know
sign
it's still
in.
recording?
Yes.
Sign in, Alicia.
I hate you.
What do you think I'm gonna do?
Come on, log in.
Look at the stupid name. Jig Monkey, Dumb Butt, Jeremy, Rockstar.
I'm dumb butt.
Of course you are, Dumb Butt. And there's Jeremy.
No, he's dumb butt.
I'm not dumb, but you're Darth Vader, you stupid boy.
There you go. What are you doing? I want to kick you, I'm going to kick you. Then shut up.
Okay.
Are you sure about that?